Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this piggy here. You might have seen that online before. It was a big trend back in the days, and I know I stumbled across one, and I was like, well, I just gonna grab one and check that out myself. This is a small version. There's bigger versions as well. Um, and yeah, it's filled with sand or something like that, and yeah, it holds the shape that you throw. It'll punch it into. So that's kind of exciting. Also, it looks kind of cute. Up here is probably where they put all the material in and then shut that. So interesting placement there. But yeah, besides that, definitely a really funny guy, in my opinion. Got some little tiny legs, kind of like chicken legs. They're shaking. And yeah, I think he's really cute. Also, his little bow tie. Um, Pretty cute guy, for sure. And I don't think I can throw him around like other people do, because I think he's just way too cute for that, but I will try. See here, now there's a flat surface because he fell on there, and this is what most people do with them. They just smack them and get them in funny shapes and stuff, but I don't know. I prefer him to look like he is meant to be looked like before falling down or something. Um, but yeah, you can smack him and he takes it all like a tough guy. But yeah, that's the pig, um, and I'm enjoying it. I'm just gonna have it sit somewhere and watch me while I do my stuff. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I will see you around, and I will say Badger, and then I'm gonna be out for today, and I will see you around.